Hi everyone. I want to take a moment to show you how to extract page or pages from a PDF file. So a lot of you may have PDF files that you want to share with your students, but you don't want to share all the pages because maybe the answer key's in there or it's just too large of a file. So I want to show you how you can extract it. I will show you two different ways to do this depending on what software programs you have on your computer. Okay, I know a lot of us are doing distance learning, so this could be a very helpful tool to still utilize all these PDFs that maybe you purchased from TPT, because a lot of them are in PDF format and really then aren't digital in the sense that you want to use them for distance learning. So I want to demonstrate for Battle My Math Ship. I know that a lot of your students have had so much fun with this activity, and I would hate for them not to be able to still use it as a way to review and practice their skills. But obviously you can't send this whole document to them because then they would know the answers to their problems. So you want to just send player 1A to some of your students and then player 2A to your other students, and then they can virtually play with each other. Okay, so let's first show you how to extract the pages. So I want to extract player 1A first, and if you have Adobe Acrobat Pro, the first method I'm going to show you is for that software program. That is a program that you have to purchase, so some of you may have it, some may not. But this is the one I'm most familiar with, and it's a great software program. So this first method is Adobe Acrobat Pro, and if you have it, you'll open up the PDF file and you'll go to Tools, and then you want to extract a page. And I am just going to extract page 3 because that's my player 1A, so I'll say OK. Okay, and then I'm going to save it. And I'm going to just save it to my desktop as player 1A for slope. Okay, so now I have player 1A saved. And then I want to go to player 2A, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to extract the one page, page 4 to 4. Okay, and again, you'll save it. 2A slope. Okay, so now I have both of those documents saved. And again, at this point, I would then email some of the students, player 1A, and then the other half of the class, player 2A, and let them know who they can team up with and things like that, and who they can play against. So there's tons of apps that they can do this virtually with. I'm sure the students are very savvy in this, but for example, you could use Zoom, they could do FaceTime, they could do WhatsApp, where they can video each other and play the game. A lot of them might have iPads where they can put the PDF file in there and they can actually draw on the document on their iPad if they don't want to print it, if they don't have a printer or don't want to use the ink. I understand that too. So there's a way for them to play on their iPad with a PDF and just kind of write on it. Another option is a software program for the computer, and there's another video on my distance learning page where you can watch that video and learn about how to download that software program for free. It's a great program to use, and they can use it that way to kind of, make their battleships on their board and kind of keep track of everything. So that method right here is just for Adobe Acrobat Pro on extracting pages. Now I want to show you if you have Preview. Okay, so the other one is if you have Preview, which if you have a Mac is the one of the basic programs that comes with it. So here I am in Preview now. And this one's slightly different. There's no way to extract, but if I go to File, Print, okay, and I want to select the page, I want to print, remember player 1A is on page 3, so I'm going to select page 3, and then right here on the bottom it'll say PDF, and I'm going to go down to Save as PDF. Okay, and I'll just save this to my desktop again. And I'll just say player 1A. Okay, and it will save just player 1A, and you could do that again for player 2A. So this is for Preview. Okay, so now you've seen two different ways in which you can extract the pages from a PDF file. So you can really utilize this for any resource. It doesn't have to be Battle My Math Ship. any of the activities you've purchased, most of them will work. If it says secured up here, it most likely will not let you do that. So some people do have secured PDF files, which this method will not work. But for all of the resources in my store, this method will work. And you can see again we have one page of Player 1A and one page of Player 2A, and now I can distribute that to my students and they can still continue having some Battle My Math Ship fun. I hope this helped.